How to use the Outlook Import-Export feature. Outlook provides import-export features to help users manage their data. You can import and export emails, contacts, and calendar items between different Outlook profiles or to other email clients. Let's learn how to use the import-export feature in Outlook. Part 1. Export Outlook data. Before moving Outlook data to a new PC or computer, we will need to copy it all onto a new PST file. We can do that by following the steps below. Step 1. Open Outlook and open the File menu. Step 2. Select Open and Export and then click on Import Export. Step 3. An Import and Export wizard opens and select the Export to a File option. Step 4. Select Outlook data file.pst and click on Next. Step 5. Now select all the Outlook data that you wish to export and click on Next. Step 6. Select a file name, a save location, and then click on Finish. You will also have the option of adding a new password after. Now all your Outlook data will be exported as a PST file. Transfer the file to the new PC or laptop. Part 2. Import Outlook data in the new PC or laptop. Now let's import the PST file onto your Outlook application using the following steps. Step 1. Open Outlook and open the File menu. Step 2. Select Open and Export and then click on Import Export. Step 3. An Import and Export wizard opens and select Import from another program or file. Step 4. Select Outlook data file.pst and click on Next. Step 5. Now select the PST file that you would wish to import and click on Next. And that's it! If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Remo Software Official for more tech tips, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Stay safe online.